unang-una sa lahat, dapat yung phone nyo aesthetic. Ganyan, ganyan din yung kulay. Siyempre. No, but you know what, honestly, what I love about the Reno series, lahat ng phones since I joined has been so beautiful. Parang eye candy talaga siya. Every time na nakikita ng mga friends ko, mga kilala ko, nakaka-attract kasi talaga siya. Yung colors niya laging maganda, tapos lagi siyang, parang may, yung design niya maganda palagi.
Very sleek.
Very sleek siya.
Hindi mo kailangan ng case.
Eye-catching.
Hindi mo
Exactly.
kailangan
I was gonna say, parang nga siyang
Oo
case
nga.
eh. So, hindi mo na kailangan.
Yeah.
Wala. Nakatipid ka pa.
Yeah, pero I mean, I guess aside from that, you know, pagdating sa content creation, ako kasi talaga I'm very particular with the quality of the camera that I use. Kasi syempre, it's very important na malinaw lahat ng photos. And those photos will stay with you for the rest of your life, you know. So that's very, very important. And ang maganda rin sa sa Reno cameras is that you don't need to alter it so much. The colors are very, very good. Yung vividness, sobrang gusto ko. So hindi na, parang you won't waste time na on editing so much.
Especially now that everybody's on the go, your schedule is very erratic.
Exactly.
So, wala ka talagang time to sit down,
and edit. And actually, kesa sa, I mean, mahirap mag-take ng photos, pero mas matagal pag nag-e-edit ka.
Totoo.
Feeling ko for us content creators, pinaka pinagtutuunan talaga natin ng time is the post-production of all of our content. So at least now, you know, like, yung AI eraser is in your fingertips na. So hindi na talaga mahirap mag-edit ng photos. And I'm very, very happy about that. Kasi at least this time around, I can just upload photos anytime. And I mean, I wouldn't say na sobrang updated naman ako, but for other content creators who, you know, na yun yung parang connection nila with all of their fans, syempre kailangan, pag nag-upload ka, real time eh. For a lot of content creators, ganun talaga. So, important din yun para sa kanila.
That's right.